Good morning, guys. How's it going? This is Vanessa here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna take my glasses off because they're dirty and I can see the glare, but I just woke up, and as you can see, my pineapple or my bun, because I have long hair, it's looking kind of. This is how I wake up. But yeah, today's a beautiful day here in Atlanta. The weather is amazing. I'm super excited. It's my first fall ever. Like we don't have like seasons in Colombia, and every time I come to visit my husband, it was like always very like for a week or 2 weeks, or I would never get the full season. So I'm so excited because these are my colors. I love for fall colors. I love for fall weather. Excited. But today I want to go take some pictures and just, explore a little bit. And I am going to show you how I refresh my curls. Ow, 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 sorry. There we go. How I refresh my curls. And the thing is, since I use, this is my scrunchie, my silk scrunchie that I made myself. My hair tends to get very, 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 very flat and straight with the cold, I've noticed. So I'm going to show you how I refresh my curls. And just because I'm excited for the fall weather, I'm also going to show you my quick glow up. Or let me see, my hair is so long. See how my curls are looking? Yeah. See how like this is the thing, like it annoys me because this thing, even though it's super soft, the elastic is kind of hard because I made it myself. And since I have so much hair, they still create like a little shape there, but we're trying to figure it out. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna do my hair because I wanted to have enough time for you guys to see it, the difference. But I mean, it's not that bad. It's just this is well, that light is very bright. Give me a second. Better? Yeah. This is my third day of wash. And yeah, let's just get started. So all you're gonna need literally is just conditioner, dip conditioner. I'm gonna use my baby. And I like this because this is like 3-in-1 conditioner. So it's a leave-in, rinse out, or co-wash for frizz-free moisturizing curls. For all curl types. So this, and then a little bucket of water. I do have the spray, but I've come to figure out that every time that I use a spray, my hair just gets really frizzy. Like, yeah, it gets defined, but it gets really frizzy. So, just see. Why am I doing this? Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to do just a pump. Well, this is like a little pump. That's it. And then you take it, you mix it all like this. And then you put some water. You get some water with it. And then literally you're just going to scrunch your curls like this. You're not breaking through it, just like touching them. A little more on this side. It's super easy, super fast. I mean, you can do it in the bathroom. Yeah, so. Water. I just feel like if I get water like going with like the spray bottle, it just makes it so frizzy. So let's just right here, and that water, and then guys, I'm so excited for the fall season because I've never been able to, I'm from the coast, so I've never been able to wear sweaters, and I'm obsessed with boots. Even though I'm 5'10", I love wearing high-heeled boots, but I'm so excited. I feel like I'm gonna like compare my wardrobe in like 90% boots. But, okay, there we go. So that's pretty much it. And then a little more water. Here in the front, that is the one that I get like very, very flat after like slipping with my pineapple bun. Yeah, that's the only problem of having long hair. You can really use a pineapple because it's just like too long, but whatever. Honestly, I couldn't I couldn't see myself with short hair. I don't know. I just don't. Okay, so literally I'm just crunching it. Let me just show you guys. Crunching it. Excuse the chops. Working on it, not really, but trying. Okay, so scrunching this up for third day hair, and for being rained on multiple times is not bad. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I prefer getting like a little bucket instead of like having a spray. I don't know why it works better for my hair, but there you go. I thought it was gonna, at the beginning, it was gonna ruin my hair because of, you know, using my hands for, and all the way, and it's not like, but it actually works, I swear. You can use conditioner or deep conditioner, it's actually better, but I didn't have deep conditioner right now, so this will do. So there we go. And then like here in the back too, a little bit of water. Oops, okay. Oh. Now, I'm back. So while that dries, I'm just gonna do my makeup real quick. My big under eye circles because of my husband snoring. I cannot sleep. I'm gonna put a little bit here just because it's a place to go with primer. Oh, I look cute, huh? Just pat it down. My hair is still dry and it's so wet, so the most fun part is working with colors. So I'm gonna use fluffy blush, but it's dirty, but I just have to show you. I mean, I'm gonna use like this side right here, like maybe this side, the weekender. I don't know why I'm doing this face, but I swear it works. So pretty. As you can see, this is my dang, my curls look good. Saying they look very, very defined, which is what I love. And I love how they don't look frizzy. Like when I use the water pump, they're like crazy, like super frizzy. No matter what I do after, if I put more product on it. Thing is, like, I already have product, so I don't like putting more gel to it, but like, look, they are giving me some life here, and I love it because it's very, 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 they look very defined. I mean, it's a little bit of frizz, but it's okay. What we're gonna do about it. Yeah, I know. This is how I refresh my curls. A little video right here. Look how bouncy they are. So guys, try it. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if it makes you. I honestly, at the beginning, I thought, yeah, like the first time I tried, I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna make my hair look like this with frizz. It didn't. So let me know how it goes. I'm gonna go take some pictures. I'm gonna eat. I'm starving. I'm always starving. But I'm gonna go take some pictures. Again, this is how I refresh my curls. Thumbs up for the little glow up. I mean, I guess I should look better than before when I woke up, but I still don't know how to put on my contacts, so I'm still gonna put in the dirty glasses anyways. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, just please click on that red button below. If it's here or here, I still need to figure that out. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon, and I will see you soon. Bye.